subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched two new flagship 5G devices under Nova series in China called Huawei Nova 8 and Nova 8 Pro with a unique camera module. Both of these devices shares quite similar design, but among these two, the Huawei Nova 8 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Nova 8 Pro features a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 985 chipset paired with Mali G77 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Nova 8 Pro supports a quad camera setup on the rear in an elliptical module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has a dual 32 plus 16MP camera under the pill-shaped hole punch at the top left corner. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on EMUI 11 skin on top, and it houses a 4000 mAh battery that supports 66 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with heat dissipation system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.32 by 74.08 by 7.85mm and it weighs around 184 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Nova 8 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 4,399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black, purple, green and white color options. And the smartphone is set to go on sale starting from January 7th. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 8 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.